how's it going, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day wherever you are or whatever you are. And right now, I am sorry that I didn't film on the weekend. I did make a couple clips, but I decided to delete them because I wasn't going to record myself on any of the rides. Plus, my favorite ride was the Supernova 360, and I went on that 4 or 5 times. You guys are probably wondering why I'm wearing these instead of my normal glasses. That I have no idea. Tell me, guys, what you like better, this or this? Like, this is better quality, but it looks like it's zoomed in, like that. But if I just do this, like, look at the difference, like, all the way up to my face. It's so weird. So I'm just gonna bounce it out like this. I'm not gonna do the time lapse like this. I took this thing off for the time lapse. You're probably wondering why am I doing a time lapse? I'm gonna record myself building a motorcycle. This is very difficult because look at the instructions. So far, I've been working on this thing for 2 hours, and this is all I got. Literally, you guys in the time lapse. Okay, so I'm probably gonna use this in the time lapse, just saying. So now see you in the time lapse. Okay guys, I didn't finish it, but I got a little work in progress. Not done, but today was not really a cool day. What is up, guys? I'm sorry I went to current day, but right now I'm about to ride my mini bike. Here it is. And I also might ride my 3-wheeler today. Okay guys, so I just got done riding my mini bike and now we're going to my dad's. Okay guys, I just made it to my dad's and it's been a little bit. I didn't really do anything, but I think it's time to end this video with Bubby. I'll see you guys with Bubby in 3, 2,